Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make 2-ingredient healthy brownies. No flour, no butter, no eggs or refined sugar. These brownies are super fudgy, moist, chocolatey, and just 2 ingredients. For that you're gonna need overripe bananas and unsweetened cocoa powder. You're gonna start by peeling the bananas. You also need to preheat your oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Now mash the banana until they become a puree consistency and no banana chunks remain. You can mash by hand with a fork or spoon, or use a blender or food processor. Now whisking the cocoa powder until a smooth batter forms. I added about 4 to 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And now you're gonna pour the batter into a prepared baking pan. You can use a spatula or a spoon to spread the batter evenly across the pan. Also tap the bottom of the pan a few times against your counter to remove any bubbles. And bake for about 20-25 minutes. When the brownies are done, the surface should look dry and dark in color, and the center should not be jiggly. However, the center should also not be completely set. You can insert a toothpick and it will come out wet, and if you press your finger gently on the surface, you should feel that the center is still soft. Let the brownies cool in the pan and then place it into the fridge for 1-2 hours or until the brownies are firm enough to cut. And now your brownie is ready. You can add some honey on top, some frosting, maple syrup, or anything of your choice. And just enjoy your brownie now.